Hi there, how you doing? I hope it's alright, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to solve and more importantly, how to prevent some surfaces in Twinmotion from turning white, causing you to waste time reassigning all the materials to the surfaces. So let's get started. Except for importing the direct link, every time you import a 3D file into Twinmotion, a folder will be created in the same location on the PC as the imported 3D file, with all the textures used in the 3D inside, which will automatically be read into Twinmotion as well. The existence and location of this folder is critical to keeping the materials valid in Twinmotion, so deleting, moving or renaming it will automatically cause it to lose its connection to Twinmotion, which will show you the missing files window the next time you open it. If you click OK or cancel without reconnecting the folder, the 3D file in Twinmotion will no longer have the textures. To fix this, click Open and select the folder you moved or renamed. Then click OK. Now you'll see how the project will repopulate itself with the lost materials. I'm so sorry, but if you deleted or if you don't remember the new location of this folder, there is nothing you can do but reassign all the materials manually. The exact same thing applies with textures of materials downloaded from the web. For example, if you download several textures and use them to create new materials in Twinmotion, Twinmotion will remember the location of these textures, and in case you delete, move or rename them, Twinmotion will lose the link, and as a result, the next time you open the file, the surfaces with the new material will be blank. I'll give you 2 tips to prevent these situations from occurring. Always keep the file in the Twinmotion format, the 3D file and the folder generated after the import into Twinmotion always in the same folder, so that if you have to rename a path or move some folders, you can always tell Twinmotion the location of new folder with all the textures. For all the textures downloaded from the web instead, don't leave them in the Downloads folder. Move them all to the same folder that Twinmotion created after the 3D import, so you'll have all the project textures together. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this tip and tricks video, please let me know in the comment what topics you would like to see in the next video. That said, I wish you a good day or evening and see you in the next video. Ciao!